Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss circulatory system. Circulatory system is nothing but it's a kind of transport system which is mediated by blood, or we may say it's the movement of blood. So material along with blood is moved from one place to another place. Why we need to have a circulatory system? We are the very advanced form of life or organism. We have a very high basic metabolic rate. So we need to have more and more nutrients, and side by side we need a lot of oxygen too. And by side we are producing a lot of waste material. So we need a good kind of transport system that allow the nutrient and oxygen to reach from each and every cell to another cell. So we need to have a circulatory system. How a circulatory system works? The circulatory system collects materials from the cell and then transport them wherever it is required. There are two kinds of circulatory system. One is called blood circulatory system and the another is called lymphatic circulatory system. So a blood circulatory system has blood vessels and heart. Blood is nothing but it's a kind of connective tissue. It has two parts, plasma and foam element. Plasma have 90 to 92% of water, 6 to 8% of protein. The protein may be albumin, fibrinogen or globulin, and the foam elements have platelets, leukocytes and erythrocytes. Platelets are meant to provide the coagulatory mechanism, whereas leukocytes are the real fighter cells of our body. And erythrocytes, that are also called as RBC, is the carrier of oxygen. Apart from that, there are three kinds of blood vessels: artery, veins and capillary. They are carrier of blood along with oxygen or without the oxygen. So it will carry oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood from body parts to heart or from heart to body parts. The main theme of the blood circulatory system is the heart. So heart is mesodermally derived organ and situated in thoracic cavity between the two lungs, but it is slightly positioned towards the left. It has chambers. So the chambers may vary from the primitive to advanced animals. So likewise we can see a fish is having only two chambered heart, one auricle and one ventricle, whereas amphibian and most reptiles have three chambered heart, two auricle, one ventricle. There is an exception. A crocodile is having a four chambered heart. The birds and mammals have four chambered heart, two auricles and two ventricles. This is a picture of our heart. The superior part of heart is called auricle or artery. So if it's situated rightwards, it is called right atrium or right auricle, or if it is situated leftward, it is called left atrium or left auricle. Whereas the inferior portion of heart comprises what? Ventricles, right ventricle and left ventricle. There are two kinds of valves. Valve are just meant to provide the unidirectional flow of blood. The blood will never go back. So there is a tricuspid valve on the right side and dicuspid valve or mitral valve on the left side. Now we have to discuss how the circulatory pathway operated. So the deoxygenated blood, the impure blood will carry to the heart by vein cava, superior and inferior vein cava, and they will reach to right auricle. And then from right auricle, with the help of tricuspid valve, it will go to the right ventricle, and with the help of pulmonary arteries, it will reach to the lungs, where it will get oxygenated, and the pure form of blood will have to reach again to the heart by the help of which vein? Pulmonary vein. And it will reach where? It will reach to the left auricle. And from this left auricle, with the help of which bicuspid valve, it will push towards the left ventricle. And from this, with the help of aorta, it will reach to different tissue of our body. So this is all about your circulatory system. Our circulatory system are called double circulation because there is no mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and it was discovered by William Harvey. A fish is having only a single circulation because they lack a lung. The another kind of lymphatic circulatory system is lymphatic circulatory system, and which is mediated by lymph. Lymph is nothing but it's an extracellular fluid, and it runs parallel to the blood circulatory system. This is all about your circulatory system. I have just briefly discussed the process. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you soon.